Be, be, moo. I said, hey, who's teaching you that? That my friends at school. I said, la, just like. So, anyways, getting back to my friends in Malesto. When I was in the Guam Police Department, I was a policeman from 1993 until 1993. From 1993 to 2001. And one of my favorite boss was my dearest uncle, David Sidafuntunay. David Mata is David Dorido Mata. So one day we were stationed together at the Denido precinct, and the supervisor is called Bravo 5, and that day I was Alpha 1. That was my beat area. So Uncle Dave said, Alpha 1, Bravo 5 on the radio. They go relay Bravo 5. Like that. Proceeded it over to Tulip Court up in Lati Plantation. Tulip Court. Okay, Tulip Court. Okay, I understand. I proceeded it over to Tulip Court because there's a fighting there. A male husband and a female wife. Di po siya na yung today na male husbands and female wife. Anyways, they're fighting. But there's no house number, just listen for the shouting. Okay, I'll just listen for the shouting. You can hear her loud and clear because she's historical. She's very historical. Okay, I'll proceed it. So, the following day was a Saturday evening, and we were very, very busy. All of us policemen each had about 10 cases in our shift. And they had a theft of property case up in the Machanao area. So he called me again. Alpha Run, Bravo 5. The relay Bravo 5. I know you got plenty cases already, and we're about to get off in 2 minutes. But can you please proceed it over there? Out there to Machanao and take that theft of property cases. Okay, I'll go. He said, don't worry, it's pieces of cake. Pieces of cake. Okay. So I went over there na. Udag na ipenta. Ababa ipenta istibya. Bailalong na yung bailalong. My neighbor, I know that he's the one that came into my house and stole my stab and my corned beef. They go, how do you know that side now? Did you witness it? No, tutungan na nababad yun na boy. Okay, pues utugin yung report. Leg na ipalaan na, babay boy. Pues, what else I know did he steal from your property? Yeah. He stole my real gold earrings. Real gold earrings? What is that? Is it gold earrings? No, real gold earrings. Did you see him? I know he's a bad boy. So, I took the case, but it wasn't pieces of cake. Because I had to write a long report. So anyways, afterwards, we were sitting down and we were writing all our reports at the Dededo precinct. And you know, the Dededo precinct is together with the fire department and the post office. Atungay pala. Pues, malofan isti jovencita na bonita. And Alice, yung today, hey boy, look at that girl. She's so sexy, she can be a Playboy centerpiece. Dave, what is Playboy centerpiece? Yeah, you know, in the middle of the magazine. Centerfold. Centerfold. Okay. So that's the story about Uncle Dave. May he rest in peace. But he always touched my heart because when I was a young rookie, he let me ride his motorcycle. And one day when I was patrolling, the rain came down very heavy. Just Alpha 1, Bravo 5. Relay Bravo 5. Now it's raining. It's raining hard. You better find a car porch. And park under the car porch. What's a car porch? Oh, carport. Okay. So some of you folks here from Malesio will remember also si Defunto Frank Agigi. He worked for the Guam Police Department for over 30 years. Anyways, when they opened up the Talafofu precinct, they stationed there si Tomas Cruz, si Rudy Ignacio, and si Henry Officiar. So, that place there, the Talafofu precinct, was very quiet. No problems there. They stationed the people there that were problem children. In other words, Tomas, Rudy, and Henry were problem children. So one day, si Major Frank Agagi, he went to check it out, what's going on down there, because he was listening on the radio and there was silence, nothing going on. Si Tomas, that day, he went to the next door neighbor and he got a white bed sheet and he took down the American flag and he hoisted up the white bed sheet. So when Major Frank Agagi arrived at the station, he saw the white bed sheet. He said, we surrender.